Boom. And here's how you use a blind bearing puller to remove motorcycle wheel bearings. Have you ever struggled with trying to get one of these wheel bearings out of a motorcycle wheel? If so, go and get yourself a blind bearing puller. It's worth every dollar. Okay, your blind bearing puller is going to come with a bunch of different sized attachments. And what you're going to look for is one that fits inside of your bearing. And what you want to do is you want a nice tight fit. You should have a whole variety of different ones that come with your kit, but this is what you're looking for. Now the puller itself has a little pointy spot, and what this does is that when you rotate this onto the piece, it's going to slowly start to expand these outer jaws here like this. And you tighten this up. See how it's still kind of coming off here? Push this back on. You want to just barely catch the bottom of the lip. If you look really close at the edge of this attachment, it's curved out just a little bit so that it actually catches on the very bottom of that bearing. And the reason why this works so well on motorcycle wheels is because you can never get to the back side of these bearings. So what you want to do is you want to drop it in, okay, and just kind of feel to make sure that you're right at the bottom. Like you're just barely grabbing that back side of the bearing with that lip. So here's kind of the trickiest part of the deal is that you need to tighten it, all right? So go ahead, grab yourself a couple of wrenches. I've got a couple of adjustable wrenches here. I'm going to grab this lower one, and I'm going to tighten this thing up. I'm going to start driving this bit into this piece here. Now, I've already removed one side on this wheel, but you can see inside there, I'm just grabbing the bottom side of that bearing, all right? So basically, with that nice and tight on that bearing, what you have now is a slide hammer that you can work up and hit. See, so it goes up, makes contact, just like that, and you're going to be able to work it out. But let's do one other thing just to make our lives a little bit simpler. Go ahead, get yourself some penetrating oil and apply that to that outer edge, okay, just like that. Then what you're going to do is go grab your heat gun, put it on high, and start to heat the hub. Try to avoid heating the bearing. What we want to do is just expand the hub just a little bit. Take your time on this. Like I would spend several minutes just heating this hub, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I mean, this works every time, 60% of the time, it will pop right out. But take your time with the heat, okay? All right, I think that I got this pretty nice and hot, so let me turn this off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the slide, right? So this thing goes, tops up at the top like that. And I'm just going to swing this up. And let's see if we get this bearing out, all right? So one quick, swift motion here. And see how it moved just a little bit? We definitely lifted it. Now one more. Bam. Just like that. So I'm telling you, these blind bearing pullers, friggin' rock. And then in order to get your bearing off, all you're going to do is go grab your wrenches again. And you're just going to loosen this. There we go. That's off. I should be able to pull that bearing off of there just like that. And here's kind of what that whole kit is going to look like. You see, you get a whole variety of different sizes to work on different types of things. But yeah, this blind bearing puller, this thing definitely is the ticket for dealing with motorcycle wheel bearings. The blind bearing puller, when I discovered it, changed the game dramatically for me. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video or live stream.